here we are at the Scenic Rim Ultra. It's definitely one of the Australia's hardest ultra marathons, and definitely Queensland's toughest.
Oh, that was evil, that one.
Last year, absolutely destroyed me. This year, it absolutely destroyed me.
It's all in backcountry of the Scenic Rim. We follow all the ridge lines that circumnavigate around Warrawong Dam. Once you're up the top, you've got views all the way to the main range. You've got views all the way to Mount Barney, Mount Maroon and Mount Lindsay.
CP9 to CP10, just did not stop climbing.
It's harder than UTA.
For sure.